an experienced aircraft engineer and his son had a dream to create a different kind of airplane.
Me and my son are enthusiasts for the aircraft, for the flying, for the creating, developing airplanes, do something different that others are doing, and started to turn our dream into reality.
They created BRM AERO to build an ultralight aircraft that would raise the bar in the industry.
We wanted to move one level higher with the outside view of the airplane, ergonomy of the cockpit, quality of the production, efficiency of the production, to reduce the production costs so we can offer our airplane in the similar prices like we are offering a high-level airplane.
BRM AERO offers interchangeable parts and customers can replace only what is needed. Very handy when your airplane has thousands of parts.
The goal is to prepare the details that way to be able to build the airplane like Lego.
They also offer a retrofit kit so that customers can upgrade their aircraft to the latest stage.
This is completely different as any other ultralight or light sport aircraft producer.
And how is BRM AERO able to do all of this?
The 3D Experience platform helps us to do technology of each part which will be as simple, as easy as possible.
Milan was involved in the study of aircraft fatigue for years, and he knows metal structure.
The biggest advantage of 3D Experience platform is that it can work with sheet metal of 3D shapes. It was not possible to solve this problem with previous tools.
Working with 3D Experience on the cloud helps a small company like BRM AERO keep costs down.
This cloud system did help us to shorten very much the time, and we can increase our exist production, which creates money for our development work.
BRM AERO will always be a family company, and what's most important to Milan and his son are their customers and the positive feedback they receive from them.
That's what makes us happy, that's what fills our batteries, and that's what is telling us you have to continue this way and stay on this road.